Wow guys, look at this delicious lamb curry. Oh man. Okay guys, so we here got some lamb over here. Lamb pieces. We're first going to boil the lamb up just to get rid of its impurities, get that boil up. Okay, while that's boiling up, I got here some potatoes that I'm peeling up right now. I'll show you guys a delicious coconut lamb Cantonese stew here. Okay, I peeled my potatoes, just go dump it into the water. Okay, let's go check on the lamb. Okay guys, as you can see, all that crap is coming out of the lamb. Just gonna give it a quick boil because this is a pressure cooker curry lamb recipe here. Okay, I'm just gonna take these out now. They're done. Okay guys, so let's prepare some ingredients. We here got I'm using 2 onions over here, and here I got about 8 tomatoes. So in this pressure cooker recipe, we won't be adding any additional water because we got tomato water. So now the onions, I'm just gonna chop it up how I like it. Some slices here. You're also going to chop up some ginger and garlic. But I have store-bought ginger and garlic, so I'm not going to be chopping up any ginger and garlic. Very quick and easy, simple lamb curry, Cantonese lamb curry. Tomatoes, cut it into 4. Pressure cooker is going to make this delicious lamb curry very tasty. Okay, as you can see, my potatoes are kind of big. I'm just going to chop them in half like this size. If your potatoes are like this size, you don't need to cut them. Okay, so basically it's this. All these simple ingredients that I'm using for my lamb curry here. Coconut lamb curry. Okay, let's go prepare the dish. I also got my lamb here prepared already. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, so first you're going to preheat your wok over here that I'm using. Use a pot, put a good amount of olive oil. Rinse it around. Okay, here I've got my ginger and garlic here. Just going to add in 2 teaspoons of this. Okay, next we're going to dump in our onions. Also dump in our lamb. Give it a quick stir fry. Just turn down the heat. Then just add in our seasoning. First I'm going to sprinkle some salt all around. Good amount of salt. Sprinkle a good amount of white pepper. Add in about 2 teaspoons of chicken bouillon powder. Add in about 5 teaspoons of sugar. And then over here I've got mild curry powder. We'll add in 2 teaspoons. And also I've got some cumin here. I'm just going to sprinkle all around. Cumin. Good amount of cumin. Also here I've got some turmeric. Also sprinkle around a good amount of turmeric all around. Okay. And then I'm also going to add in 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Just 1 teaspoon. And then a few pieces of curry leaves. Just add in a few pieces of cinnamon sticks. And a few pieces of star anise. Okay, this is our dry spice, so we can just stir fry this up. Put the heat up and stir fry the dry ingredients up into the lamb. I'm going to drizzle around just a little bit more of oil around. Add in a little bit of water so it doesn't stick to the base here. That will fills up all that spices up into the meat. Okay. Now we can just add in our tomatoes as well. A good mix. Okay, let's add in our wet ingredients. First I'm going to pour in a little bit of oyster sauce. Drizzle around. Drizzle some Chinese rice wine as well. Drizzle a bit of sesame oil. There's a bit of soy sauce. Now I'm gonna add in 1 teaspoon of hoisin sauce and 1 teaspoon of bean sauce. Okay, tune up the heat and then we can mix this up. Guys, I'm just showing you a very quick curry dinner recipe you can make at home, so it doesn't require a lot of stir frying and all that stuff because we're going to be dumping it inside the pressure cooker. So next I'm going to add in 1 can of coconut milk. Okay, that means we don't need to add water when we are pressure cooking. Turn up the heat, mix this up, and then we can dump it into the pressure cooker. And let the pressure cooker do its thing. Mix up all that stuff. Before that, I'm going to add in 5 more teaspoons of sugar. 5. Okay, mix this up. Then we can dump it in the pressure cooker and we can add in our potatoes. Just let this boil up first. Very quick homemade curry recipe, lamb curry. Okay, just give it a little quick boil and that's it. Okay, I'm gonna dump it into the pressure cooker now. Okay, let's put my lamb into the pressure cooker here. Just pour it all in one time. Just put this nicely. So we're not going to be adding in any more water. Now we're just going to place in our potatoes here. Stick it in. Okay, it's done. I'm just gonna put on our lid here. I'm using a Silvercrest pressure cooker here. Okay, Silvercrest pressure cooker. Just click on meat here. It's gonna pressure cook for 15 minutes. Once it is hot enough, the pressure has risen, then it'll cook at 15 minutes. And then we'll just let it to sit in there for about an hour to pressure cook, and then we'll have some delicious Cantonese lamb curry. Okay guys, it's ready. Let's check this out. Ooh, wow, check at that. Wow, let's see. Wow. Wow, so much sauce from the tomatoes. Wow, look at that. Oh, check that out. Ooh, check this out. Oh, delicious. Wow. Let's check. Oh, look at that. Yummy, yummy. Wow, look at that. Get some rice. Get some rice here. Ooh, wow. Potato. One more potato here. Ah, it's time to eat.